Hello everybody, my name is Dhruva GK, and today I shall be discussing about the topic where most of the people find it hard, direct and indirect speech. You might have heard many conversations happening around you. One of the is, Ron said, I am going outside. His wife said, be careful. You might see that the words are reproduced in a way that is exactly the copy of what Ron and his wife said. This is called direct speech, where the words of the speaker are exactly reproduced. There are, of course, many people who do not say the exact words that a person told. In the same example, we can say what Ron and his wife told in this way. Ron said that he was going outside, so his wife advised him to be careful. This speech, where we modify the tense of the sentence, without changing the meaning of a sentence, is called indirect speech. Direct and indirect speeches are very important in your life. For example, if you had to say what a person told to any of your friends, you must either say it in a direct speech, or convert it to an indirect speech. It is also important in journalism, where you have to record a person's view in either direct speech or indirect speech. In order to do this, please look at the table which shows us how the tense changes when changing from direct and indirect speech. We do not need to change the tense when the reporting verb is in the present tense, and the original statement in direct speech is something that is still true and is a universal fact. The former's example is, Ralph says, I've got a job in Birmingham and I'm moving there next week. Notice the reporting verb says here. This is in present tense. If the reporting verb is in the present tense, then we do not need to change the tense. So, the indirect speech of this sentence is, Ralph says that he has got a job in Birmingham and he is moving there next week. Notice that the reporting verb is not changed here also. In the latter's example, we can say, our teacher said, the earth is revolving around the sun. If you look at this sentence and read it, this is obviously an universal fact. If the sentence is a universal fact, such as this one, then you do not need to change the tense. So, the indirect speech will be, our teacher said that the earth is revolving around the sun. While converting from direct to indirect speech, please look at this table which shows the changes in expression of time and place with examples. Since this topic is very long, I am going to divide it into two parts. This is part 1, and the next video is part 2. Until then, Godspeed.